Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Aisha Butalia. I welcome you all for today's video on entire information about the Tijri festival. It is also sometimes known as Tijri or Sindhi Tej. It is a Sindhi festival. Tej is followed by almost all the Sindhi women and is very famous. Tijri is similar to Karwa Chauth and Haryali or Kajri Tej. Tijri is celebrated by Sindhi ladies as they keep a fast on that day for their husbands, and young girls keep Tijri to get good marital bliss. Tijri is in the month of Shravan and normally falls on the third day after the full moon falling in August. Why do we celebrate Tijri? According to the mythological stories, Goddess Parvati wanted to marry Lord Shiva. So she started praying and fasting for Lord Shiva, and later on, Lord Shiv realized Goddess Parvati's love and devotion towards him and married her. Thus, Goddess Parvati preached to all women about it, promising prosperity. How do we celebrate Tijri? Eat something at 4 am in the morning, maybe a koki, that is a Sindhi dish, and something sweet like rabri. It is necessary to eat something as you will fast for the entire day. This ritual is called Asur. Later, we have a shower and then you can go back to sleep. In the morning, offer a little water on Tulsi, holy plant. In the evening, cook a little rice, and once it cools down, add raw milk and sliced cucumber along with a little sugar. Some people avoid the cucumber. They just add raw milk along with a little bit of sugar. This is known as Arg. Arg is offered to the moon after offering the prayer, following with water. The preparations of Tijri starts in the evening. The thali used during the katha is made of an oil lamp that can be lit on 4 sides. That is called as Chaumukh Diya, which is made out of wheat flour, and haldi kumkum, chandan, uncooked rice, flowers and pani ka kalash is kept in the thali. The Tijri Katha starts around 8 in the evening. People visit temples to listen the Katha, or you can do the Katha at home also. Usually ladies keep fast with or without water, and a few of them keep fast on fruits as well. Mehndi can be applied on hands and feet. It's a shagun. If you dislike mehndi, you can just put a dot or make a small design, as it is considered as a good luck for fortune. What is Tijri Katha? Tijri Katha is a very famous and should be done in the evening. The Katha tells us a story. The story starts with a man called Lakshmi Chand who had 2 sons and 1 daughter who recently got married. Once Mr. Lakshmi Chand wished to perform yajna, and so Brahman was called for it. Lakshmi Chand then sent both his sons to fetch his daughter, and with the intention to bring her home. But the daughter was fasting of Tijri and couldn't make it. So one of the brothers climbed up a tree and held a thali and showed her the thali as the moon. Unaware of the plan, Rupvanti broke her fast and had dinner. In few minutes, her husband went into a very deep sleep. Rupvanti got shocked and panicked, and then the brothers told her the truth. Rupvanti then laid her husband on her lap and for the complete year kept praying. The next year, she again kept a fast of Tijri and offered the moon with the arg. She fed the remaining arg to the husband, and then the miracle happened. The husband was all well again. Thus it is said that Teej should be kept and no one should break it. तीजड़ी माता की जय। लक्ष्मीकंद नाले हिकिड़ो सेठ धनी ऐं धर्मात्मा हो। उनखे हिकिड़ी कन्या ऐं 2 पुट हुआ। उन पंहिंजे कन्या जो विवाह दूरदेश में करायो हो। उन जा 2 पुट अञा नंढा हुआ। सेठ लक्ष्मीचंद खे यज्ञ कराइण जो वीचार थियो। उन लाइ ब्राह्मण खे मुहूर्त कढाई पंहिंजे 2 पुट खे पंहिंजे कन्या खे वठी अचण लाइ मोकिलियो। 2 भाउर पंहिंजे भेण खे घर पहुता ऐं हुन खे गॾी वठी वञण चयो, पर हुन जे भेण खे तीजड़ी जो व्रत हो। जीअं त भाउरनि खे तीजड़ी जे बारे में ख़बर कोन हुई, हिकु भाउर वरते चढ़ी करे पंहिंजे भेर खे थाली ॾेखारे चयो, ॾिस चंड निकितो आहे। रूपवंती थाली खे चंड सम्झे अर्घ ॾेई भोजन कयो ऐं विर्त तोड़ियो। विर्त जे भंग थियण जे करे रूपवंती जो मुड़ुसु गहरी निंड में हली वियो। जॾहिं रूपवंती खे कुझु बि सम्झ में कोन पियो अचे, उन जे भाउर हुन खे सभु सच ॿुधायो। रूपवंती पंहिंजे सुहाग खे गोद में सुम्हारे सॼो साल सेवा ऐं पूजा कंदी रही। वरी जॾहिं सावन जो महीनो आयो, तॾहिं तीजड़ी जो विर्त रही राति जो चंद्रमा खे कचे खीर में खंडु विझी अर्घ ॾिनई। जॾहिं बचियल खीर पंहिंजे मुड़ुस जे वात में विधई, तॾहिं हुन जे मुड़ुसु चक चनो भलो ठही वियो। जेको बि प्रेमी सचे निश्चय से तीजड़ी जो व्रत रखे कथा प्रेम सां पढ़ंदो या ॿुधंदो, हुन जे सभी मनोकामनाएं सिद्ध साकार थींदे। This is exactly similar to what is told in Karwa Chauth, but Karwa Chauth generally comes in the month of October, and Punjabi ladies keep that fast, but ultimately the procedure is exactly the same. We wait for the moon to be seen and then we break our fast. Generally during August the rainy season is there, so moon is not sometimes visible, though it is at the back end of the clouds. So we can have an estimate timing as per the Panchang and break our fast by seeing the photo or physically our husband. But if this is not possible, you can also see the first upcoming star. Generally the unmarried ladies, they break the fast by watching the star. If that is also not visible, some people they break the fast on the next day. Thank you for your patience listening. This was all about the Teejri Sindhi festival. Thank you once again.